Yes, how about you, Early? Are you excited to kiss her? Okay, that is very excited, Ma'am Rika. So, Ma'am Rika, can you move forward? Okay, move forward. Now, offer your cheek and he will give you a very gentle kiss. Okay, now ready? Okay, offer your cheek and hold it. Look at the camera and smile. Wow, that was the juicy one. Great job, Early. So, Ma'am Rika, how's the kiss? Nagustuhan niyo po ba? Yes. So, if you're going to rate Early's kiss on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss you've ever had, what would it be? Wow, perfect score. Great job, Early boy. So, ma'am, are you saying that Early's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss?
Oh no.
Mas better po yung kiss niya? Yes. Oh no, yes daw. Is there a special someone around? Nandito ba si Sir? Saan po si Sir? Please raise your hand. Oh, hi, Sir. You know what? Early here has a message for you. What's that, Early? Sir, message? Come on, louder. Oh. What does it mean, Early? Oh, what does it mean, boy? Pelat daw! Who's better